We are on a hunt for our missing premise statement. And we're going to figure out what that missing premise statement is by first figuring out what the terms of that missing statement are. And we're going to do that by keeping in mind a really important feature of standard form categorical syllogisms. Categorical syllogisms are comprised of three terms that appear exactly 2 times each. So we're going to look really closely at our given premise and conclusion statements and identify how many times each of the terms are currently appearing in our argument. We can see that the minor term of the argument, the subject of the conclusion, also appears in the first premise. So it's made its 2 appearances. It is done in this syllogism. It is not going to appear in our missing premise. But the major term of the argument, the predicate of our conclusion, it only appears once in the argument as it's currently formed. So we know our missing premise is going to involve the term people who believe in free will. We can also see that the middle term of the argument, people who believe everything is governed by deterministic laws, it appears in that first premise, but not in the conclusion. So it's also a term of our missing premise. So now what we know is that we are looking for a premise statement that involves people who believe everything is governed by deterministic laws and people who believe in free will. But what's this statement going to be? Is it going to be an A statement, an E statement, an I statement, or an O statement?